This video is designed to give you an overview of what you'll be doing in the convert unstructured text to JSON with sentiment analysis example. We'll be using AWS Bedrock in Anthropic's cloud. We'll be writing data to an input topic, read that with a Pulsar Python function, making a call to AWS Bedrock Anthropic's cloud, and writing a structured JSON to the output topic that's going to include these following fields, so that you would then be able to route that data potentially to certain people in a call center, etc., based off of the level of concern, whether the complaint should be escalated. I'm just going to show two quick things. I'm just going to show the deployment of it using this Pulsar Cuddle functions create command, and then we're going to show it in the UI running, and then I'm going to go ahead and trigger it so you can see what it looks like. So here I am in terminal. I pasted in that Pulsar Cuddle functions create command. This references the Python examples file. So the course material shows you how to download that. We're going to use the sentiment analysis class. And then the input topic, output topic, tenant you may need to adjust based on what tenant you're using in your cluster. And then there's also two secrets here, which correspond to the access key and the secret access key that you need to get into your Bedrock. There's detailed directions in the course code, but I'm going to go ahead and deploy that. And it says created sentiment one successfully. We'll take a look at what that looks like in the UI. After waiting a few minutes, sentiment 1 is showing as running. So it's time for me to use the REST API to write an example email to the input topic of this Pulsar Python function. Here's an example curl command for me to write that sample email that's in the course to that input. You'll need to edit the endpoint of your cluster, but I'm using the sentiment input one topic / message REST API call. I'm going to go ahead and send that over, and it'll write data to that input topic. You can see the messages column now shows a value of 1. That's the message had sent over. There's no system exceptions or user exceptions, so this is a good time for us to now look at the output topic, sentiment output 1, and see what was written. I've been doing a lot of testing, so I have multiple messages here, but this last one is the most recent one that was triggered off of the message we just sent to the REST API. You can see that there's a series of fields. Summary is a summary of the email. There's the escalate complaint, overall sentiment, customers supporting business unit, level of concern, etc. These are all the fields that were supposed to be included in the output of Anthropic's cloud. And then this is, of course, running through Amazon Bedrock. So it looks like we did successfully process our message and got the response in the output topics. We've shown that you can get the sentiment analysis from some unstructured text data and then use it in some of your streaming so you can properly route your messages.